Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's Vault and welcome to a surprise review. You guys kept requesting me to feature the Hero Xtreme 160R Stealth Edition. Which looks absolutely stunning. I was looking forward to it. I had been requesting Hero MotoCorp guys, and special thanks to Pallam Raju sir, who has always been supporting my vision from Modi Motors at RP Road, Hero MotoCorp. So you can get in touch with them to get the best deals on Hero MotoCorp bikes or scooters. So now let's not waste any more time. Let's turn our focus onto the machine. This is the Hero Xtreme 160R, as you can see right here, and this is the Stealth Edition, which comes in matte black. Looks absolutely stunning, gets LED lighting all around, Hero MotoCorp badging right there. It looks very premium and sporty and futuristic, and that's something we kept expecting from Hero MotoCorp. 160R was a good sporty motorcycle. Now they've tried to make it even better with the Stealth Edition. You can see the programmed FI logo right here. So it comes with fuel injection, BS6 compliant engine, 15 PS of max power and 14.2 Newton meters of max torque, 2-valve engine, but it does get the Xsense technology, multiple sensors inside to optimize combustion efficiency and offer a good balance of power and economy. And another good sensible inclusion is that of the kick rod right here, as you can see. So even if the battery runs out, you have a kick rod to watch your back. And then of course, talking about the rest of the design, I love this Stealth Edition. You get this kind of an accent on the front fender. You get 37mm telescopic forks. You get a good kind of matte black finish on this, and then the overall bike really comes alive. You also have kind of a smoked effect for the tail lamp. LED turn blinkers look awesome, and even the short stubby exhaust comes alive and offers a good grunt and sporty exhaust note actually once you ring the throttle wide open. Talking about the brakes, you get a 276mm pedal disc up front and another pedal disc at the back, but you get single channel ABS as standard, which means ABS is operational only on the front wheel. Now this also gets the auto sail technology, which means you don't have to use the throttle while creeping through the traffic. Just let go of the clutch and the bike starts moving forward, and that offers for a fatigue free riding experience. And then of course you also have 130 section radial rear tire with better water channeling capabilities and better road grip even on wet surfaces. So that is a good inclusion to complement the sporty character of this motorcycle. And then of course you also have this single seat layout, decent amount of room for the pillion as well, and easily accessible for ladies as well, but lots of room for the rider and little bit of lower lumbar support for the rider as well. So overall fit and finish, build quality, I love the way they've done this motorcycle, something that was long due from Hero MotoCorp, the market leader. And then of course you have the aluminum foot pegs, and you have a monoshock to offer good handling characteristics. Even the box section swing arm works perfectly well with the chassis to offer great flickability and maneuverability and superb handling characteristics. Then you have the Hero MotoCorp, the Xtreme 160R logo right here. The tank lid and everything offers good build quality, fit and finish. You have a hazard light switch right here, high beam flasher, starter button, and an engine kill switch, to be honest. And we have a nice cloudy weather right here and good overcast conditions. The speedo console is also nice and well lit up. You can see, I'll just turn it off and turn it on one more time. You can see this is the startup animation. You now get a gear position indicator right here, speedo, tachometer, and other relevant information along with the odo. You have the time, trip A, trip B, and odometers, and side stand warning, and the side stand engine cutoff feature is a life-saving feature, which is good to have on board. So giving you a quick kind of walk around of the visuals of the bike as to how good it looks. You can see this is how it looks. I kind of like this new Stealth Edition. I think it enhances the overall visual appeal of the motorcycle, and so glad that they have done this sensible upgrade to visually enhance the aesthetics and the sporty persona that defines this motorcycle. Now, more than how it looks, I mean, just as hot as it looks and just as stealthy as it looks, just as killer it looks. So whether the killer looks transform into killer riding dynamics, let's find out by hitting the road and putting the motorcycle through its right paces. Okay guys, now that I've given you a quick overview of the all new Hero Extreme Stealth Edition 160R, let's take this bike out for a short spin and let's see what the Stealth Edition is truly made up of. It has a side stand engine cutoff feature. Now you get a gear position indicator as well. It has nice futuristic sporty styling. Go for a quick ride. Let's see. Good Street Fighter styling. Has radical sporty Street Fighter looks. Wow, nice rev happy engine. And they've kind of filled this place with speed breakers to keep a check on that, which is a good thing. Wow, very refined, feels more responsive than I first rode it. And the fit and finish build quality feels top notch as well. Very refined, no vibrations whatsoever. Good thing is that it has that X-Sense technology, which multiple sensors, which optimizes combustion efficiency and offers a perfect blend of power and economy. And it is a rev happy machine. The more you rev it, the more it comes alive. And then of course fuel injection offers good refinement, consistent throttle response, and good mileage at the end of the day. But the R at the end, whoa, offers seamless acceleration. The brakes are good, 276 mm pedal disc up front, single channel ABS. Riding ergonomics very comfortable for daily city commutes. You get a hazard light switch as well, which is really good. LED lighting all around. Seat is very comfortable. Wow. Absolutely amazing. The front brake could have better initial bite to give you that extra bit of confidence to brake late, but this is a brand new bike, giving it a benefit of the doubt because the brake pads need a bedding in time, or time to bed in. So overall, seat is very comfortable. For the rider, you have ample space to move around. So in city conditions, this is an absolute joy to ride. The ergonomics are spot on to offer great versatility. The rev counter lights up beautifully. It's a good smart looking this thing, which is good, offers good visibility. However, white backlighting or some kind of backlit display instead of a negative display would have offered better visibility. Now it's cloudy, so it's nice and visible, but if it were broad daylight, hot summer afternoon, I doubt the visibility would be as good. But overall, very impressive motorcycle from Hero. which has been bettered now. The Stealth Edition not only looks stealthy and looks awesome or looks kick-ass, it also rides just as well as it looks. So I guess that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe. Everything is well sorted. Suspension is well set up. The brakes are good, and the road grip is great. Comfort is great, and most importantly, the versatility is good. So that's what makes this a good all-rounder street fighter, and coming from the reliable house of Hero MotoCorp. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.